Hey everyone, just getting to here. Um, well, I guess it's something new. Well, I guess this is gonna be new to you guys because I never talked about it. Maybe I have, or even I made a couple of videos for you guys about it. So yeah, I'm gonna be looking at Sons of Anarchy stuff or Sons of Anarchy merchandise here today, and they got the calendar. So yeah, I've been looking at Sons of Anarchy stuff. So you know, if I find anything interesting, or if I find anything interesting, I'll show you guys. So yeah. So that's what I'm gonna be doing here today. I'm gonna be looking at Sons of Anarchy stuff. So I'll be making like one more video for you guys after this one. So I'll see you guys in the last video. So I'll see you guys in the last video. So a nice way to let you guys know if I'm gonna be doing here today. I'm gonna be looking at Sons of Anarchy stuff, or merchandise. So, because some TV shows have their own stuff. Or their own hats. If you're a fan. So I guess I'll talk to you guys in the last video here. So I'll see you in the next one here. All right. See you in the last one.